We're probably among the group that get together and say, what's up with this God business? I've been giving my all to the church and I don't get anything. But every time I go to a church, I got a guy or two or a gal telling me that if you keep on trusting in Him, keep on giving, God will bless you, but somehow the blessing is not coming. Then we got some theologians sharing it and say the reason why you're not sharing the benefit of God because you're living in sin. But then you look around and say, what about the guys that don't go to church that are living in sin? They're prospering. What's happening here? So that's why I feel in my heart that I should encourage you not only just trust in God, but to share the love of God and continue to share what you have. Don't be afraid, because this is a very difficult time. Who in his right mind will have the nerve and the courage to share the little that you have to another family? I thank God for the Tafesilafai program that encourages family to come together and be a part of something like this. So we can start to hear our stories, hear about our concerns and the things that worry us. It's a very confusing time. But again, if we continue on grounding ourselves in the Word of God, we'll be okay. My encouragement to you, do not be afraid to make the sacrifice. God will provide. James said, if you say to your brother, I love you, and you don't show love, you are lying. And I'm like, that's not a message for us. We are people that love and express it, right? This is your love for this family that are grieving the loss of their loved one. There is a time when you will be in need, and people will respond.